how to get your car to pass inspection. You have a gaping.
Warning, what you are about to see is not a professional repair and not recommended. It is only recommended if you're in desperate need of passing inspection. Otherwise, do not do this dumb to your car.
Hole in it. A little bit of paper, a little bit of cardboard for structure, and a little bit of Hurglass.
What are you talking about?
Crumble this up, mash this in the hole, keep pushing. You'll find a hard spot.
It'll find a hard spot eventually. Oh my gosh.
In there like that.
Oh
Yep,
my
That
goodness.
looks structurally pretty sound.
Yeah.
Rust. This right here is why they rust. For some reason, these dorks, it's like making a custom sheet metal panel, but with cardboard.
Honestly, why didn't we just do what the Asian guys do and get some ramen noodles?
Ramen
noodle repair.
Super glue. I don't know about you, but I could definitely spray some Duraglass.
Yeah.
That's not good. Alright, I'm just gonna fill this hole in. Just a little bit more in the, put a little bit in the corner there. You got a little hole. I can see some cardboard still.
Oh my gosh.
That looks fantastic. I could sand that out with about 6 pieces of 80 grit. It's pretty thick. Yeah, pretty thick on there. You might just glob the rest over that Duraglass, fill in all those somewhat pinholes.
Oh my goodness. Oh my god, yeah.
Or pile ice cream over more ice cream. Yeah, looks fantastic. I'm excited. They'll pass this, right?
Should.
Okay. We're leaving that, right?
Yep.
Okay. Extra traction right there.
Use your private parts as piranha bait. Dumb ways to die. So many dumb ways to die. Dumb ways to die.
That's a traction secret.
There you go.
Good as new.